Hello, Bacha Party. I am really thankful to all of you. Thanks for your love and your support. We have crossed 1k subscribers today. I am feeling very happy. I started this journey on 7th Jan 2025 with my first short video, and now in approximately 4 months, with your support and by the grace of God Almighty, we were able to do it. Yes, we have done it. We have crossed 1k subscriber mark. So I once again thanks to all of you, to all my lovely subscriber. This would not have been possible without your constant support and your constant messages, which always helped me to move in the correct direction and to bring the correct type of videos for all of you. So I am going to keep doing this good work, and please keep blessing me, keep pouring your love and affection towards me. I need it. Great. So चलिए इस वीडियो को कंटिन्यू करते हैं. And now, because this video I have thought of making in English, so I'm going to use little bit of Hindi, but to majority of extent I will try to use English for this video. There is a particular reason for this, because one of our subscribers has said please provide me with subtitles. So sorry, I am not able to do that right now, but this is only for you. I am bringing this video in English because I know those who can understand Hindi, they can understand English also, but there is a very big crowd, okay, who is very familiar with English and their mother tongue, but may not be very clear with Hindi. So I am going to bring this video, try my best. I'm not very good in English as well, but I'll try my best to bring this video in English. तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं. Are you able to guess this NIT? This NIT is even better than IIT. Yes, I'm right. Its NIRF ranking is very high. It's better than many of the IITs. And you will find more about this. So this can be a very good choice for all of you. तो वो बच्चे जिन्हें IIT नहीं मिल रहा है, ये NIT ट्राई करिए. This is one of the best NIT, I am telling you. प्लेसमेंट्स बहुत अच्छे हैं. इस NIT का रेपुटेशन जबरदस्त है. गेस किया which NIT this is? Let me disclose this for you. Tan. This is wait. Okay. This is National Institute of Technology, Tiruchirappalli, located in Tamil Nadu, India. Yes, which is also called as NIT Trichy. Chalo, this offers integrated 4-year secondary stage BSc B.Ed. Okay, let's proceed and see all the requirements, all the eligibility criteria for this. Okay, let's start. The first one, let us read each and everything. चलो एक एक करके हर चीज पढ़ते हैं. Okay, first one, it is a 4-year integrated dual major program with one major in education and the other in any one of the following disciplines: physics and chemistry and mathematics. So this particular NIT gives you two majors. One in education, that is B.Ed, and second is in one of these subjects: physics, chemistry and maths. So you can select physics, chemistry or maths major, one of them, and one will be the major in education, right? That is clear, because it is going to be a BSc B.Ed, right? It is going to be BSc B.Ed. So B.Ed will be your one major, and in BSc you can select any one of them, either physics or chemistry or maths as your major subject, right? Let us move on to the second point. a student will be allotted any one. Remember, you will not be given physics, chemistry, mathematics, all three of them. You will be given any one of the disciplinary majors, either physics or chemistry or maths as major, we call it major. Okay, and this will be given based on his or her score in the NCET exam, right? Depending upon your score, your merit list. Okay, let's read the third point. The students who have passed class 12th in science stream having physics, chemistry and mathematics. Pay attention over here. ध्यान से सुनना. जिन बच्चों का क्लास 12th में फिजिक्स, केमिस्ट्री, मैथ्स है as the combination of subjects, they are eligible to apply for the major discipline. So I am sorry, PCB students, you are not allowed. IIT does not allows, but NIT Jalandhar, whose video I have already made and posted yesterday, allows for biology students. So you need to have physics and chemistry only in your 12th standard, right? But here NIT Trichy says PCM strictly in class 12th. So remember this. This is the first eligibility criteria which you should complete. Physics, chemistry and maths. Okay, in class 12th. Okay, one point is clear. Let's move on to the next one. They must have appeared in the test in physics, chemistry and mathematics as the domain subjects in the NCET conducted by NCNTA. So the second eligibility criteria is that in your NCET you must have taken these domains. Which domains? PCM. No PCB allowed in class 12th, neither in the domains, right? So it should be physics, chemistry and maths as a domain subject. Domain subjects. So PCM in 12th, PCM in domain. Let's move forward. Candidate must have secured at least 50%. That is aggregate. Okay, like your IITs. So 50% aggregate required in class 12. Now the next thing which students always look for is the age criteria, because IIT very strict about age criteria, right? As I told you, IIT Kharagpur and IIT Bhubaneswar, they are very particular. Only 1 year droppers are allowed. Okay, but let's see over here. Okay, this is last year's eligibility criteria. Okay, but the eligibility criteria remains the same. Nothing changes apart from the age, right? So see here, it says, what does it say? It says a candidate should have appeared in class 12th either for the first time in 2022, 23 or 24. And this is last year's prospectus. So this year, this will be made as 2023, this will be 2024 and this will be 2025. Is this point clear? Is this point clear to each one of you? The candidate should have appeared in the class 12 for the first time in 2023 or 24 or 25 with, again say the same thing, with physics, chemistry and maths as the compulsory subject. So these should be the compulsory subject which we already know. So age criteria, see yahan pe 2 years dropper are allowed. Okay, so second dropper allowed. Good news for all of you. Good news for all my students, those who are trying for IIT but because they are second droppers. Please write in the comment box how many of you are second dropper. So if you are second dropper, second year dropper, trying for NCET, trying for IIT, right? But are disappointed. So I want you to cheer up guys. This is the institute for you. They allow second dropper also. So if this NIT is allowing second dropper, then I think others NIT also will allow second droppers. Okay, this is my assumption. जो एक जैसा क्राइटेरिया ही मोस्टली सब जगह रहता है, सेम क्राइटेरिया गेट्स फॉलोड एवरीवेयर. Okay, so second dropper is allowed, but it is not easy to take admission over here. I'm going to tell you that. Wait for the next slide. Very difficult. So you have to be very, very good in your subject. Okay. मतलब NCET में एकदम फाड़ू रिजल्ट आना चाहिए. Let's move on to the next. ये समझ में आया? I'm moving on to the next. Okay, so let's read these important things also. Admission to the program will be based on NCET total score secured by the candidate in all the 7 subjects, that is 2 languages, teaching aptitude, general test, 3 relevant domains covering 4 different sections. If a candidate is absent in NCET test of any of the 7 subjects, that candidate will not be considered. Again that point has come up. मैं बार बार ये पॉइंट बता रहा हूं आपको. देखिए यहां भी लिखा हुआ है, सी हियर, clearly written. That means NCET test, if he is absent in any of the 7 subjects, what does that mean? It means that you must have appeared for all the sections. There are some students, कुछ ऐसे बच्चे हैं जो मैसेज कर रहे हैं कि सर मेरा ये पर्टिकुलर सेक्शन मैंने अटेम्प्ट ही नहीं किया, आई हैव नॉट अटेम्प्टेड मैथ्स, or I have left my physics section completely blank. That means that will be, according to me, should be treated as absent in that particular section. So, according to me, if you have not attempted all the sections, at least one question from all the sections, you are not eligible for this. Okay, so you must have tried all the sections, attempted all the sections, right? That is compulsory. Okay, the admission counseling for BSc B.Ed program will be conducted by this. Okay, no problem. The students are requested to give their choice of dual major program, clearly mentioning the order of preference. So you have to give the preference. What do you want as your first choice? Which subject you want as your second choice? Which subject you want as your third choice? Again, no economics here. Okay, only PCM. Is this point clear? Is this slide clear to each one of you? Let's move on to the next one. The next one is the seat matrix and is of a great importance. IMPORTANT. It is very, very important. So see this carefully. Read this carefully. And I want you to share this video with all your friends who are looking to get an admission into a very, very good NIT. Okay, especially those who are in the south part of the country, who don't want to travel to IIT Jodhpur or don't want to travel to IIT Bhubaneswar or IIT Kharagpur, right, or IIT Ropar, because they're in the north belt of our country. So from the south, you've got one of the best NITs, that is NIT Trichy. So please share this with them. Okay, fine. Please write in comments, how did you like this particular video, the information given by this. Okay, let's see the admission process. Okay, admission to the program will be made through the NCET. We know that. Okay, for so and so BSc B.Ed. Okay, seat matrix. Now you have to understand seat matrix for BSc B.Ed for secondary for this NIT Trichy is, I am telling you, this is, the admission is even difficult than IIT. Why I am saying that? Because you see here, there is something as HS and OS. HS is home state, which is Tamil Nadu, and other state. So if you are a student from Tamil Nadu, okay, catering to all the eligibility criteria, that means if you are a domicile of Tamil Nadu, there is a separate quota for you. If you are from other states, separate quota for you. See, like this. Like if I talk about physics, you want to do physics major, you are not from Tamil Nadu, you are from any other state, then you have, other state is OS. In general category, you have got only 3 seats. So that means only 3 students allowed from other states. That means other than Tamil Nadu, only 3 students in this whole India, only 3 students in from this whole India will be available to take admission for BSc B.Ed Physics general category. If you are from EWS category, only 1 seat. I'm talking only about right now about outside other states. Only 3 for OBC, only 1 for SC. So all over India, only 1 student, SC students, will be eligible for BSc Physics. No STs are there. Total of 8 for physics. That means total seats are 8 for outside state students. Okay, and that too 8 में से भी only 3 for general, 1 for EWS, 3 for OBC and 1 for scheduled caste. Okay, same way for chemistry also. If you see, same way for chemistry, other states 3 1 2 2, so you've got again total of 8. If you are from mathematics, other states, only 4 seats, only 4 students from outside Tamil Nadu will be given admission. So very difficult na, very difficult. Only 4 students in the whole of the India. मतलब आप समझ रहे हैं कट ऑफ कितना ऊपर जाने वाला है. कट ऑफ इवन कई बार हो सकता है IIT से ज्यादा चला जाए. राइट, 3 for OBC, 1 for SC, 1 for ST, total of 9. Okay, same way there is a reservation for the home state, only 3 students from home state. See, don't take it as a negative thing. अगर आउटसाइड स्टेट्स के बच्चों के लिए 3 सीट रिजर्व है, तो होम स्टेट के लिए भी सिर्फ 3 सीट्स ही है, 4 सीट्स नहीं, only 3 seats. Only 3 students from Tamil Nadu are allowed for BSc B.Ed Physics. 3 students from chemistry are allowed for, in general category I'm talking about, from Tamil Nadu. And for again for mathematics, only 4 students from Tamil Nadu are allowed in the general category. And बाकी भी आपके पास सामने दिया है, आप जिस कैटेगरी को बिलोंग करते हो, you belong to which any one of these category, so look for how many seats are there. So very very difficult, very difficult. And even I think when you are going to apply, there also I think last year it was 500 rupees per discipline. याद रखना. Okay, per discipline. That means if you want to apply for physics from other state, from outside state, okay, for these 3 seats you have to spend 500 rupees. Fill an application form that I want physics major. If you want to apply for chemistry, again you need one more 500 rupees. If you want to apply for maths, again you need 500 rupees. So I know this registration process is like a lot of money gets spent. Okay, so if you apply for all the 4 IITs, say if they charge a minimum of 500, which they don't, they may be charging more than that, but then also almost say 2000 rupees. Okay, here also say one more 1000 or 1500 or something. So around 5000 6000 rupees you're going to spend for this registration. But this is worth na, there is no other option for this. You need to spend at least this much money. So keep this much money ready and should be in a mood to spend on all these registrations. Once you get into one of the dream IITs or NITs, everything is okay. Okay, वो आपको वैसा आपका पैसा आपको वापस मिल जाएगा in the form of a very good education, a very good college, right? So once again, आगे there is nothing ahead. So I have discussed clearly about the complete seat matrix, okay, about all the criterias, about the age criteria, that second dropper is allowed, only 50% aggregate in class 12th is required, PCM in 12th standard and PCM in the domain is compulsorily thing. Okay, so here I have talked about, मैंने आज आपको NIT त्रिची के बारे में कंप्लीट इंफॉर्मेशन दे दी. बच्चे बार बार बोल रहे थे भैया NIT के बारे में बताओ. सो बता दिया मेरे बच्चों, आप जो बोलेंगे मैं आपके लिए लेके आऊंगा. मैंने IIT भुवनेश्वर का कंप्लीट प्रोसेस लेके आया हूँ, IIT खड़गपुर का लेके आया हूँ, NIT जलंधर का लेके आया हूँ. ठीक है, बाकी IIT जोधपुर एंड रोपर का स्टिल दी prospectus has not come out, okay, but NIT का तो I am sure यही होने वाला है, ज़्यादा changes नहीं होते हैं, बस वो dates change कर देते हैं, 2024-25 से 25-26 कर देंगे, but you were getting worried ना कि उसके क्या eligibility criterias हैं, so these are the eligibility criterias, and if you fulfill, I must say you must apply for NIT Trichy, very good institute, I'm telling you, very good in terms of placement, very good in terms of studies, a very good future for you. Okay, मैं मिलता हूँ आपसे अगले ऐसे ही किसी वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए बाय बाय, टेक केयर.